Welcome to Levice, Slovakia, home of our new production workshop for EcoTeq filter bags, where clean air technology meets precision engineering. This new facility strengthens our position in clean air solutions, expanding our capabilities and product offers.
We were very pleased with the decision to get ETSA production going to Levice. For us, it was kind of the recognition of Levice plant. On the other side is commitment to us to deliver high-quality product to the market.
I'm really proud and very excited for the new bag production facility that we have in Levice in Slovakia. I think it's proof that insourcing can be really a complement to our product offerings in clean air technologies.
The launch of the workshop introduced new tasks and brought together colleagues from different departments and countries in a shared effort.
The EcoTeq project has brought a refreshing change to our facility. It has provided us with new experiences, making our work even more exciting and meaningful.
We've built a multicultural team of best talents, all working together to achieve success.
Our dedication and teamwork are driving us towards great achievements.
From slitting to sewing, each step is handled with precision and care by skilled operators.
Hey, I'm Anthony. I came from the Philippines. I'm responsible of manipulating of slitting machine. It's incredible, exciting to be the part of this new EcoBag division.
Hi, I'm Rodolph, and my role involves setting and supervision of sewing process on different parts of the line. We are committed to giving our best and growing together as a team.
Every filter bag is produced under strict quality controls, ensuring consistent performance and reliability. Our processes also support sustainability through efficient material use and reduced waste.
By manufacturing our own bags and having our own laboratories and quality control systems, we will be able to ensure higher quality product and consistency.
I also see the dedication that we have to quality in Levice is something that really will lift up what we are offering to the customers.
This workshop helps ANDRITZ deliver complete clean air solutions, combining production, service and technical expertise.
We expect greater customer satisfaction and a stronger market advantage in the industry.
Our global teams will benefit from this, and together with the service offerings, the rebuilds, the enhancement of the customer's fabric filter and baghouses, that will be a great step forward for the ANDRITZ Clean Air Technology service business.
We look forward to delivering reliable solutions to our customers. Visit our website or contact your local representative to learn more.